Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through exactly how to put in a Roth conversion into Turbotax, step by step, using the updated 2025 platform. If you've recently converted money from a traditional IRA into a Roth IRA, you need to make sure it's entered correctly in Turbotax to avoid mistakes and headaches with the IRS. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the official Turbotax website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your tax return homepage. From here, go to the Federal section. This is where all of your income, deductions, and credits are reported. Next, click on Deductions and Credits. This section is important because it's where adjustments for IRA contributions and Roth conversions are handled. Now, instead of scrolling through all the categories, use the built-in search bar. Type in the word Roth. From the list of results, look for the option that says Traditional and Roth IRA Contributions. Click on that. When the page opens, hit the Start button. This will launch the guided questions to help you enter your Roth conversion details. Turbotax will now prompt you to enter the amounts from your financial documents, specifically your Form 1099-R, which reports distributions from retirement accounts. Make sure you input the dollar amounts exactly as shown. Accuracy here is critical since even a small mistake can affect your taxes. As you go through the prompts, Turbotax will ask clarifying questions, such as whether the funds came from a traditional IRA and whether they were converted into a Roth IRA. Answer carefully based on your situation, and continue following the guided steps. Once you've completed the section, Turbotax will automatically calculate the taxable portion of your conversion and update your tax return accordingly. And that's it! You've successfully reported your Roth conversion in Turbotax. So now you know, reporting a Roth conversion in Turbotax 2025 is straightforward when you follow these steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more easy-to-follow tax guides, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.